How to restore a previous version of a Wix website. So in order to restore a previous version of your Wix website, we need to go over to the dashboard of our actual website that we want to restore to. Now into this dashboard, we just need to head over to our site history. If you can't find it right here, you can head over and just click onto this search option and search in here for site history. Now this will actually search for that. So into this, you can see this option. Click onto this right here in order to open it. You can see this right here. Here are our site history. We have in here the latest one, and when you scroll all the way down, you can also see in here some are from May, some are from April. So you can just see this right here in order to view this saved version. Can review them right here, and if you have determined that if this is the version that you want, you can have the right click on this restore option right here in order to restore this particular part. So that's how you restore a previous version of your Wix website. Hope we helped.